Welcome to Type 1 exercise routine. Before attempting any of the following exercises, you should make sure to watch the 2 lectures that come next. First, we will talk about the importance of blood pressure before exercising and how to measure it. In this lecture, you will also find links to videos on how to properly use an automatic or a manual blood pressure monitor. Next, we will see the proper way of getting up and lying down during exercising in order to avoid unnecessary injuries. In case you have already watched these lectures in another section of the course, please skip them now and go to pelvic floor relaxation in corpse pose with pillow. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.